Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to create Shopify discount codes to boost your sales, so step by step, so you can attract more customers and increase revenue without any confusion. First, log into your Shopify account and go to the admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Discounts. This is where you can create all types of promotions, from percentage off deals to free shipping offers. Next, click on Create Discount. You'll see several options. Choose between a percentage discount, fixed amount, free shipping, or a buy one, get one deal, depending on your sales strategy. Give your discount a clear and memorable name so it's easy to share with customers. Then, set the value of your discount and any minimum purchase requirements. You can also limit usage per customer or set an expiration date. These settings help control how and when your discount is applied. After that, define which products or collections the discount applies to. You can apply it store-wide or only to specific items. Double-check all the settings to ensure the discount works exactly as you want it. Finally, click Save. Once created, you can share the discount code via email, social media, or your website to drive sales. Test it yourself to make sure it works correctly before promoting it widely. And yeah, that's it. With Shopify discount codes, you can incentivize purchases, reward loyal customers, and increase revenue effortlessly. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.